Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use templates in the InShot app. InShot, templates are fantastic for quickly creating professional-looking videos. They come with pre-designed structures, including music, transitions, and effects, saving you a lot of time. To begin, simply open the InShot app, tap on the video option, and then head over to the Materials section. Here, you will find a wide array of templates categorized for different styles, such as travel or cinematic looks. Once you are in the template library, select a template whose overall style, music, and transitions perfectly match your video concept. These templates are equipped with preset music, dynamic transitions, and engaging effects to give your video a polished feel. Next, you will upload your personal photos and video clips into the designated placeholders. The template then intelligently arranges and trims your media, ensuring it flows seamlessly with the preset rhythm and timing. After your media is in place, it is time to personalize your video. You can easily customize any text within the template, changing the message, font style, and colors to suit your brand or mood. Feel free to add or modify stickers and emojis to boost visual engagement. Beyond the template's defaults, you can adjust video speed, apply different filters, and even incorporate unique effects. Remember to use the editing tools for precise trimming, cutting, and volume control on each clip. Before finalizing, always preview your entire video to confirm that all changes meet your expectations. When you are completely satisfied with your creation, simply tap the Export button. InShot offers options to adjust the resolution and frame rate, allowing you to optimize your video for specific platforms, such as TikTok or Instagram, ensuring the best quality. Finally, you can effortlessly share your polished video directly to your favorite social media platform with just a few taps.
Thanks for watching, stay juicy, and subscribe.